In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Zoho Books resource does not exist error. This is a common and incredibly frustrating issue that many users encounter when working with integrations, APIs, or even just navigating through deep links. Essentially, this error message means that while your connection to Zoho is theoretically working, the specific piece of data you are asking for, be it an invoice, a specific contact, or a unique page, simply cannot be found by the system. It is like having a key that turns the lock, but when you open the door, the room is empty. If this video helps you get back on track and saves you from hours of troubleshooting, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We have a lot to cover to ensure this never happens to you again, so let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your plural naming conventions. Zoho is notoriously picky about spelling and grammar in its internal architecture. If you are trying to pull a list and you type invoice instead of invoices or contact instead of contacts, the system will return a resource does not exist error. Always double-check that you are using the plural form of the word in your endpoints or search parameters. Most resources in Zoho Books are categorized in the plural, and missing that one letter S is enough to break the entire link. Next, and perhaps most importantly, you need to verify your organization ID. If the ID number at the end of your link or at the end of your API request is wrong, Zoho essentially looks into a ghost account where no data exists. This happens frequently if you manage multiple businesses or have a trial account alongside a production account. To fix this, open Zoho Books and look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on your organization name. A drop-down will appear and you will see your unique organization ID number. Copy this number carefully. Now go to the end of your request link and ensure it ends with the proper parameter, which is $organization_ID equals, followed by your actual ID number. This forces Zoho to look in the right bucket of data. If that still hasn't solved it, we need to match the ID specifically to the record. If you are trying to open or modify a specific invoice or estimate, the ID number in your call must match the internal ID in Zoho exactly. To verify this, open that specific invoice manually in your web browser. Look at the web address in your URL bar. At the very end of that long URL, you will see a long string of numbers. This is the unique identifier for that specific record. Ensure your code or link uses that exact sequence of numbers. If even one digit is off, the resource cannot be found. Finally, you must verify your server region. Zoho hosts data on different continents, and they do not share resources across them. If you log into your account at zoho.eu, but your API or link is pointing to zohoapis.com, the system will tell you the resource doesn't exist because it is looking for your data on the wrong continent. Always match your API-based URL to your login domain, whether that is .com, .eu, .in, or .com.au. Following these 4 steps will resolve the vast majority of resource errors in Zoho Books. If this video helped you solve your problem, please hit the like and subscribe button for more Zoho tutorials. Thanks for watching.